desiring to get the facial proportions better.
Who complains of protruding upper and lower teeth.
She's got gummy smile, she's got a big mouth opening. We've just given anesthesia. We're just about to start this Bimax orthognathic or jaw surgery. That's how she was before we started. 5 osteotomies in one go. It's a pretty major type of orthognathic.
Hello everyone, here we are at Richardson's Hospital in the pre-operating area. We have a patient with us who complains of protruding upper and lower teeth. When we look at her, we find that yes, she does have maxillary protrusions, especially in the upper anteriors. When she smiles, it's also that there's excessive tooth show, there's excessive display of teeth. We have made impressions, taken scans for her, and we are seeing that we need to do some anterior-posterior movements for her, especially it will be reduction. It will be in Clifford 1. Why? Because her maxilla is advanced a little bit, so that has to be taken behind. Plus AMO is anterior maxillary osteotomy, that has to be done because the anterior segment is too protruding, bulging out. In accordance to which the lower teeth segment will also be treated because it will be subapical, and a genioplastic decision shall be made accordingly. So it will be a bi-jaw surgery for her by Dr. Richardson. Scans have been taken. She has been explained about the bi-jaw surgery, the procedure that will follow. Post that, a mock had to be done. The splint is ready for her, and we'll begin with the bi-jaw surgery. Right, there will be a lot of bony movements for you because your occlusion will change. It will also involve the anterior segment, changes in the anterior segment and changes in the maxilla. Okay, yeah, because there's very evident protrusion for her with respect to the upper lip. Also your lower lip seems to be thick, that's because the dental segment is protruding out, the chin is a little receded inside, so a lot of work for you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But the overall aesthetic effect will change the entire lower third of your face. Yes, because relation is being changed. The upper lip, the lower lip relation, both in terms of hard tissue and soft tissues. Thank you.
Planning jaw surgery or orthognathic surgery for this pretty girl. She's also an athlete and she's very tall and she's desiring to get the facial proportions better. So what we're basically doing is you can see her chin is a little bit retruded. Her upper jaw, there is excess. Sitting in. Allah. Yeah, look at that. So when she smiles, she's got gummy smile. So which means it's an indication of a vertical maxillary excess. Also this arc is a bit too much. So her smile is full of teeth and gums. So we're going to get this fixed. I'm going to reduce the height of the upper jaw. We're going to take it inside a wee bit by 5 millimeters. I'm going to take this lower aspect. This pouty part of the lip will also go in and the chin will come out. So if you look at the sides now, but she doesn't look that bad. But like it says, she's got gummy smile, she's got a big mouth opening, and she's got vertical maxillary excess and a short chin and a bimaxillary protrusion, as we call it technically. So all of this is going to be addressed. Yeah? So we're going to take care of all these issues. Basically, we're going to make her face also a little bit more softer. So it's a little more feminine, a little bit more proportional, and also a straight profile. She's teaching it. Right, and there's some gaps between the teeth which I'm not in a position to solve right now. So I've told her that we might put her for braces later on if needed. Clip treatment. Where? அது லைட்டாக உள்ளே போகும், ரொம்ப போகாது. She's also concerned about the malar swelling, so I'm going to be reducing a little bit of that. ஆமாம், அது லைட்டாக பண்ணுவோம், ரொம்ப இல்லை, மேஜர் இல்லை, மேபி ஒரு 3 millimeters. இது ப்ரொப்போர்ஷன் வரட்டும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட்டில். இந்த நோஸ்க்கு பேஸும் கொஞ்சம் உள்ளே போகும். இது இப்போ ரொம்ப ஃப்ளேராக இருக்குல்ல, ஸோ நம்ம அந்த ஜாப் பண்ணுற வேலை நோஸ் மேலே பண்ண மாட்டேன், இங்கே பண்ண மாட்டேன், பேஸ்லேருந்தே லைட்டாக உள்ளே போகும். ஸோ பெட்டராக இருக்கும் அதுவும். ரைட், ஓகே. பயமாக இருக்கா? ஸோ ஷீ இஸ் வெரி ஸ்கேர்ட். ஷீ டெல்ஸ் மீ பயப்படாதீங்க, இல் பி ஃபைன். ஸோ தே ஜஸ்ட் கிவ் யூ த கேஸ், நீங்கள் யூ டேக் இன், யூ ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்லீப், யூ ஜஸ்ட் நாட் நோ எனி திங். No, there's going to be no pain at that time. Pain வந்து you'll have little bit, maybe when you wake out of anesthesia, little bit, but all bearable. And then tomorrow onwards you'll be fine. There'll be some swelling, we'll put some bandage around your face so that swelling is less. சரியா? We're just about to start this Bimax orthognathic or jaw surgery. We've just given anesthesia. This is how the patient's looking. Patient has complaints of retruded chin, gummy smile, and a broad face. Both the upper and lower jaw, as we call, as bimaxillary protrusion is also there. We're planning a jaw surgery on both the jaws. And this is how the patient is looking just before we starting the surgery. This is immediately after we finished this face makeover type of orthognathic surgery by job. The 4-1 AMO, lower subapical genioplasty. Basically, we've reduced the vertical and the horizontal maxillary excess, augmented the mandible, improved the occlusion and the proportion, gummy smile corrected, the retruded chin corrected as well. That's how she was before we started. And so now side view, you can see the improvement. Okay. பல்லு கிளிப்பு போட்டுருக்கு ரெடி பண்ணி தரேன். 2 weeks later we'll start ortho for her. I think we need to align the teeth a little bit. போட்டால் நல்லா இருக்கும், போடாமட்டாலும் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, போட்டால் பெட்டராக இருக்கும். There is a lot of improvement. நீ பாருங்க, இப்போ எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆகுது? 10 நாள் ஆகுதா?
13th பண்ணது.
So 15 days out almost. Piece or a segment or a part osteotomy with a complete osteotomy. And an osteotomy is something which you break, which you cut, detach the entire jaw. So not only was the entire upper jaw detached as a whole, we detached a small part of that whole upper jaw and did segmental osteotomies. Why? Because that's when we realized it would get the upper jaw in the right position. And a similar thing was done in the lower jaw as well, because that's when the bite gets into order. That's when you can get a full proportion. This is exactly what a bimaxillary surgery is also, but this is a bimaxillary with two combination smaller osteotomies. When you work on both the jaws, either one osteotomy on one and one osteotomy on the other, that itself is a bijaw. But here we've done two osteotomies on the upper and three osteotomies on the lower, because we've also done a genioplasty there. So it's 5 osteotomies in one go. So it's a pretty major type of orthognathic surgery, and hence in order to keep the full face, like what I do even for face makeover surgery, we give the anesthesia from a small transmandibular or a submental or a transmyelial intubation. And she's doing well. She's come for review. She doesn't live very far away. We've called her back again after 2 weeks. Our team is going to take off all the sutures today. We're going to let the wires remain, and we're probably going to take the wires 3 to 4 weeks later. Thank you.